Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you what exactly is happening with Windows 11 File Explorer. If you're tired of Windows 11 slow, clunky File Explorer that crashes when you try to do anything useful, you're not alone. Microsoft has had decades to fix this, but somehow it kept getting worse with every update. Well, meet Files, a free alternative that makes File Explorer look it was designed in 2005, and they just dropped their massive 4.0 update that changes everything. We are talking a complete redesign with a new navigation, enhanced performance, and features that make File Explorer look absolutely ancient. Here, this is the website which you can see here that contains what are the things has been updated in 4.0. They have updated the Omnibar, improved dual pane, filtering, search, development tools, and much more things. This is the Omnibar, dual pane, filtering and search, developer tools, and compare hashes, and file signature, column view, status center, action settings, and some fixes they have updated it. So this is here, you need to download the files. Okay, there are options are available in the Microsoft stores to purchase this file explorer, but you need to pay 9.99 around $10. But here another thing options is available, the stable version which is available in the GitHub, which is hosted there in the repository. We will use that link, the stable version, which is free of cost. You can download it from here. Click it here. The files has been downloaded. We will run this file, open it. It will install the File Explorer 4.0. But this is a classic installer, not the actual features of the File Explorer, but more or less similar features has been added here. Because this is a free version, so you're not paying anything. Just wait, depending upon your internet speed, this will get installed immediately. You are about to finish the installation process, nearly done. Give it a couple of more minutes. There you go. You can see the interface has been changed. Not only the interface, the icons has been updated with a pretty much look. You can have your drives, network, locations, recent files in the home area. Even if you can see here, the opening bar has been updated, the roundness, search bar. It's look pretty cool. You can just expand the command palette. These are the shortcut keys you can use from the keyboard itself. This having good numbers of shortcut keys are available. You can use this and open the features. This is pretty cool. I think it looks super nice, and it definitely is a different colors than the icon from before. This Omnibar, which is a major design update in File 4.0, and basically it replaced the traditional address bar. Here you can see the notification status center, which get notified if you somehow, like, let's say I'll just copy one file from another drive, okay, and paste it, you will get a notification in the status bar itself. Here is a filter. Filter is pretty good. You can actually select any file, like for example, I want to check the .exe file, I want to check the XLS file, and here the layout also you can just scroll it, and you can just navigate to smaller size, bigger size, extra large, small size. Just navigate it. It's pretty cool features. See the column also. Here, the major update, what you are going to check it here in 4.0, they have introduced the dual pane sections. Okay, you can easily sort by name, date modified, date created, and they have introduced here, click it, the tab section and split pane. Here they have given two options, split vertically, split horizontally. You can drag it, you can arrange it, you can work with multiples of files in one simple screen. You can see, you can drag it, make it smaller size. You can click it, you can expand this column as much as possible. Earlier we have to open certain documents or files, you have to keep it open, right, separately. But here in one dashboard screen, you can see, you can keep on exploring the files, right. It's pretty cool features they have introduced, and it not only like you can work multiple of files together, but it will save a lot of time also. You can just simply drag and drop here. The properties area also, you can give the actual file size can be checked from here. This features is also available. See, it giving me the actual file size, and there are some security settings are there. It's look pretty good. And you can customize the icons also as per your choice. Now let's check out the horizontal pane. You can see here it's looking good, super nice. You can expand the columns also in the horizontal pane. See how it's expanding. This features is super nice. So this nice looking, the horizontal column is pretty good. You can work with the multiple of files and folders simultaneously. This slick design is really good. Now let's say you want to search certain things in the Omnibar. You can search it here, right? Here the status center is the major update in 4.0. Like let's suppose like I want to copy and paste it one folder from another, the in the status center it will get notification. There are some settings in the file 4.0. Here you can see widgets, open tab in dual pane mode, you need to enable it. Appearance, you can check the backdrop. You can choose acrylic. You can select the colors here, make changes as per your need. It's pretty cool thing they have introduced here. The layout, you can check it from the layout sections here. Details view, you can give the column. Files and folder sections, there are certain additional features they have introduced, like the size format. It can be binary, it can be decimal, and calculate folder sizes also. In the action section, here you can see the commands which they have introduced in this file 4.0 are good numbers of commands they have introduced. You can use this command from the keyboard itself and you can explore it. The one features which I've like is the navigate backward is the backspace. And one more feature similar to the Apple Mac OS, basically the pop-up area. You can see some tags are there, and the development tool, you can connect the GitHub also. You can configure the Open IDE, and the advanced sections. You can see there are a couple of things are there. You can make changes here as well. You can make this file explorer as a default file manager. So don't you think like this file explorer is a more updates they have done it, and they have introduced couple of new things here which makes pretty cool in Windows 11 compared to the default Windows 11 file explorer, right? Now, in my opinion, it's totally worth trying this brand new release of Files 4.0. The design is way better than the default File Explorer on Windows. Maybe the performance even isn't as better than the default File Explorer, but at least it has some of the additional features, and it also looks way better than the default File Explorer. I will leave a link for the File 4.0 in the video description down below so you guys can also try it out for yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash up the like button on this one and subscribe to the channel. If you, of course, haven't already, have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you around in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.